Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the Windows 11 Wi-Fi option not showing. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, going to your services, open services. First of all, find out a WLAN auto config. Now here is a WLAN auto config. Open and click on automatic, click on apply and OK button and restart the service. After that, open a Windows update and make sure that selected automatic, click on apply and OK button and restart the service. After that, find out a network list service, open it and make sure that selected automatic and click on apply and OK button and restart the service. After that, find out a Windows connection management. Now select a Windows connection management service. Now select a Windows connection manager. Select the automatic and click on apply and OK button and restart the service. Click yes to continue. Now close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and click on run the internet connection and close it. After doing this set, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is in the search box type a control panel and go to your control panel. Click on network and internet. Click on network and sharing center. Click on change adapter settings. Select the internet adapter which you use to connect your internet. Click right click and click on disable it. Now once again enable it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.